Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk about another function of Clay where we can generate leads through a very creative process. It's not something like you extract cold outbound from any data sources like Apollo or Lucia or ZoomInfo or Signal Hire or any of the Clay natives data sources. This is a very creative source where you get organic signals, and those organic signals come in from different letters and blogs and articles that are generated through the RSS feeds. So RSS feeds are news that are pushed by different websites. For example, any company that raises funding, acquisition, mergers, hires some senior level resources, changes in the CEOs, promotions, all get published into different news sources. Whenever those news sources have this information added up into those articles, they immediately gets added up into our clay table in the form of RSS feeds. So here you are seeing every row has an RSS feed. That means the new one, every of these has a newsletter or an article or a news attached to it. Based on that, we're extracting some more data refinement and as well as some more signals from that. Based on that, we're finding who is the company decision maker. What's the full name of the decision maker? What's the LinkedIn URL of the person? For example, let's say a company called ABC raised $1 million funding and we want to reach out to their decision makers. So based on the company name, we extracted the decision makers, extracted their lead LinkedIn URL, so we are able to enrich more data. We found the industry, we found the company summary, their size, so we can qualify if we're reaching out to the enterprise level, if it's mid-market or an SMB. Based on that, we run the AI analysis. Okay, what kind of signals are they providing? What can we use to generate more content about it? In this particular case, we are adding the information for the SDR. So before they're able to phone call, they need to be aware of what is happening in those companies. And along with that, they're able to send an email to those people. So the AI analysis brought in the information about the signals, then we extracted the work emails, so they're able to send out work emails. And then we have an ICP qualifier. That means we are qualifying the leads if it is a perfect fit or a moderate fit or a weak fit for our company. Like how much focus shall we be giving to that prospect and putting in more effort to be reaching out. And let's say when an SDR picks up the phone and is aware of, oh wow, this company has raised a funding of $1 million, or they have hired a new senior level resource, they have information before they are contacting the candidate and before extracting from those prospects, and the chances of taking the conversation further and closing the conversation becomes really higher, or being able to book more meetings to get down the lane. And once we have identified that, then we are getting the summary based on like what is the quality, what signals it is generating, what AI is bringing us the information, why is it qualified, why is it a weak qualified, why is it a moderate qualified. So the SDRs or the sales team are well prepared to do the calls. After this, we can also generate an automated email, generate in LinkedIn, automated LinkedIn sequence. We can also push them into your CRM. That's what you that's there are different options that you can do. And if you want to learn more about what more functionalities we can develop, or this how this functionality works for bringing the RSS feed, just subscribe to our school channel. I will drop the link in the comments. Thank you.